Welcome back to our tips and tricks series. In the first video, we set up a template and scheduled your first course. In this video, we'll look how to get those courses online, covering Arlo's website options, integrations, and how to look to your learners on the front end. Let's go. Let's start by looking at the integration options. With Arlo, you can either launch a complete training website with us or plug into your own easily. Setup is simple, with a single area to manage all your website settings. Let's head over there now. All we have to do is head to the Settings, Website, and Website Integration and Checkout area. Here, you'll see four main options. The Arlo website, a complete branded training website that you can launch in minutes. WordPress plugin, integration into your existing WordPress website using our pre-built themes. Web controls, drop-in widgets powered by JavaScript for more customization. And API, the most flexible option designed for advanced developers. Arlo gives you a setup for every scenario, from a quick out of the box to a fully customized integration. Let's start with the Arlo website. The out of the box website is perfect if you don't already have a website or you want to keep your training separate. It's quick to launch, easy to brand, and comes with all the essentials that you need to start selling training straight away. To activate, add your technical contact details, then click Save and Activate. From there, you can click the Edit button to configure the front end. Here's what you can customize. Under General and Styling, you can upload your logo, adjust brand colors, and set how prices and places left display, as well as a bunch of other features. Under the Home Page tab, configure your hero section with a headline, a tagline, any supporting images, widgets like upcoming courses, so you can drive more bookings from the home page. Under Pages, choose from a range of pre-built pages, including upcoming events or webinars, e-learning, as well as display your terms and conditions and about your company. For each page, you can edit the heading, the text, the courses displayed, colors, and more. Add-ons is where you can enable newsletter signups and link your social media profiles. You can also add your Bing, Facebook, or Google IDs to track any marketing conversions and marketing spend. Decide whether you want to use reCAPTCHA as well to block spam, and you can also edit the default registration forms here too. So now let's preview our configured Arlo website now that we've set everything up. So I've gone ahead and added my branding to the site, and you can see on the homepage, I'm displaying some of my upcoming courses, which are all pulling from Arlo, which is pretty slick. What I can do is click into my upcoming courses page at the top in the navigation there, and then I can jump into my First Aid Basics course that we set up earlier. Learners can clearly see the description, the images, who should attend, and all available course dates and all the detail. It's super easy to navigate and exactly the kind of learner experience you want and something you can set up in minutes. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the integration options so you can see what's possible with Arlo. Here on this homepage, you can see I've set up a catalog of health and safety courses, and at a glance, learners get key details like the price, duration, presenter, and even special tags such as early bird or entry level. This option is using our web controls JavaScript option. Clicking into a course page, you'll see the key information displayed at the top with full descriptions and supporting details below, just like the Arlo website. If there are multiple dates or locations available, they'll also show up down here, so learners can choose the option that suits them best. When they're ready to book, the registration flows straight into Arlo's checkout, which we'll cover in detail in the next video. I've set up a handful of different templates to show you. So first one is an index style template here, which gives learners powerful filtering options. They can narrow courses by category, delivery method, date range, location, and more. I've also got a full training catalog displaying, helping folks quickly find the exact training that they need. And that's a quick fire overview of Arlo's website and integration options. To recap, use the Arlo website for a quick professional site out of the box. Use the WordPress plugin if you already have a WordPress site. Use web controls for customizable widgets. And if you have developers, the API offers the most flexibility. No matter your setup, Arlo gives you the right tools to put your training online and deliver a smooth learner experience. In the next video, we'll cover checkout setup and management, how to configure your registration and payment process to optimize signups. See you in the next one. Happy training.